This match is set for one fall. Introducing first, standing in the corner to my left, from the foot lines, weighing in at 165 pounds, this is Watchdog, Trent Mercer. And his opponent, standing in the corner to my right, this is Hastur!
There may not be a more intimidating man in all of Lions Pride Sports, and especially if you saw the features on our Facebook page. Just search Lions Pride Sports. You know the background of this individual, having gone through a whole bunch of treatment for his mental and emotional health, and he may be in a better place today coming through that treatment, but he is still quite the intimidating, scary individual. Trent Mercer, though, he has gone up against quite the challenges in his life and in his short in-ring career, including a fantastic matchup against Matthias for the Lions Den Championship just a few short weeks ago. A strong record so far in 2022 for the Watchdog, who might need a lot more agility to get through this matchup. Showed a little bit of it there, but Hastur, oh my gosh, clothesline. Ruthless. As the referee warns the man who follows the yellow sign against touching him any further. Brian laying down the law, but Hastur laying in an elbow as he charges into the corner. Trent Mercer, certainly a worthy competitor, but this is an overwhelming competitor. Relentless, throwing Mercer into the corner, but Trent showing some relentlessness as well. Now up at the second rope. Oh, gee, just a slap. Just a slap, sending Trent down. As Hastur glares down at his fallen opponent. This is a lot of power offense, a lot of powerful strikes in a very short span that Watchdog has taken. He does get a kick up there, trying to relieve the pressure, but instead, it's Hastur bringing Mercer in the hard way, as this crowd, I think, is joining in the just overwhelming feeling of hopelessness even when it comes to facing this opponent. Mercer not joining that opinion, though. Oh my gosh. Whoa! Head scissors sends Hastur off the ropes and reeling, but I think instead of damage, it just caused frustration and anger in Hastur, who comes in. Mercer meets him, but the clothesline will not take him down. An elbow fails as well. What will it take to take this competitor down? Oh, that's what it'll take. Flying forearm. Mercer knocks Hastur off his feet and getting the crowd going. Oh, I think Mercer's going away at this point. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Hastur with authority and tells the crowd to be quiet for the pinfall.
Here is your winner, Hastur!
Credit to Mercer, but in all honesty, I do not know what it's going to take and from whom to stop this man. Hastur leaving a mark again. Thanks for watching Lions Pride Sports on YouTube. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Plus, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. For the very latest on Lions Pride Sports, visit our website, lionsprideproductions.com. You'll also find information on the Lions Den training facility there.